Hey, here's my Truxedo Pro X15. Installed this back in 2017 in December. So what are we on, like 5 years? And this is the update on 5 years. It's worn through there. I use some RTV just to kind of help, just wear and tear. So 5 years, I would say, if I want to push it, I probably could get a few more years, but then I'm going to have to replace it. Right now this is $579. Would I buy it again? That's like 118 bucks a year if I did it now. Kind of expensive, but not I guess it's not that bad. But yeah, more RTV just to fill holes so it doesn't leak. But it's getting worse and worse, and these are where the braces are going across. And then that happened fairly early on, within a couple of years of having it. It's like I RTV'd it. It was a hole. I think it was a burn. I don't know how it happened. Fireworks or something. I don't know. I came out and noticed it. So I RTV'd it. That worked. Let's go ahead and open this up. And you roll it like that. So we'll go ahead and roll it. And sometimes it will stay up like that, sometimes it won't. It all depends how tight I've rolled it. I had to replace the plastic pieces here because they broke early on with some carabiners. And then that goes around and I can attach. I don't know why they had a piece of plastic that didn't hold up too well. It does snap off easily down here. You push in a safety up and pull that, and then you can pull it right out, which I have done occasionally if I know I won't totally need it for a trip or something. It's an okay unit, but it looks good. It is pretty low profile. Going through a good car wash like we have, when it's doing the dry cycle, can kind of blow this up, and I have to pull over and straighten all that back out. But it works otherwise pretty dang good. It does keep the water out of the back here. So if I'm camping and I have my mattress here and my truck bed tent and all the stuff, it keeps the water out. You can get to your location and then roll it, and with the truck bed tent I've showed in those videos, it fits right over the back part, so you don't even have to undo it and take it off, which is pretty nice. However, as you all know, it's not the most secure, but I've never had an issue. You can just lift up a side and look in. Thus, you would know somebody had stuff, and if you then wanted to proceed, you just cut it, right? So that is a downside. The bars have some wear and tear, but like I said, it has kept the water out, and it's probably, if I pushed it, I could probably get another couple years out of it if I kept patching it up and what have you. But it is looking pretty bad. My truck, like most people, stays outside because they don't fit in garages, normal garages. But it's sun faded, that's for sure. And it does have rips going across the bars. But I figured I'd do an update. 5 years, they still make this. They sell this for $579, like I said, and right now that's MSRP. So divide that by 5 years, $118 a year is what it's cost me. So not horrible. And like I said, I probably could stretch this out to a few more years, which then brings the cost of ownership obviously down the longer you make it last. But I honestly don't know how much longer it would last, where I'd be like, I probably should just be safe so I don't get water on anything if I'm camping, if I still go that route and use the bed for camping. I don't know. Hopefully this helps you out so you can decide whether the Pro X15 from Truxedo is worth the money or not. I think it might be. It might be, because I don't think 118 bucks a year is horrible. Really, it would be nice. I don't know if they do this because I haven't contacted them. If they just sold like this part at a discount. I don't need the rails or anything, right? I just need this piece again. And I can't believe they don't have, they probably have like 80 bucks into manufacturing that. But, you know, they probably want you to buy a whole new cover, I'm going to guess, like most truck tonneau cover companies. And I don't know. If I do that, I might get something a little more secure, or the hard panels that flip up. I don't know. That's what I think. Let me know in the comments if you've had experience with Truxedo Pro X15 and how their customer service is and all that, because I haven't contacted them, so I don't know. So y'all take care, stay well, stay safe, my friends. Bye.